Welcome to Emcee Bali channel, and you are with me, Nirmala Trisna. This is a channel where I share tips on public speaking and also my experience about Master of Ceremony. Subscribe if you haven't, and thanks if you have subscribed to my channel. This video is going to talk about mastering Emcee for corporate conferences. I've been doing Emcee for corporate conferences since late 90s up until now. Emcee has important role in creating the right ambience and also creating the right tone for the overall event. The role of Emcee in corporate conference is also acting as host, representing the organizer or the committee of the conference. So in that case, the organizing committee can be focused on the content and also the flow of the speakers and engaging with the audience. As an Emcee for corporate conference, we also need to understand the audience, how they are influenced by the Emcee, creating the right tone, and also engaging them in the right direction of discussion with the moderator probably, or in some in-between sessions. In opening ceremony or in state event, Emcee can also act as the representative of the protocol, how one VIP must stand on the stage, which VIP should be handling the opening, or during the photo shoot, a group photo opportunity on stage. Emcee can also act how to engage them, put them in the right position on stage. What is important in the conference event as an Emcee? We have to be part of the pre-event in the preparation. We need to know what is the event objective, why that event is being held, who are the event stakeholders, and all of the details of the speakers maybe on the sessions. So we understand why this person is the moderator, for instance, or why a certain session is without a moderator, why this topic is set as a fireside chat, for instance. Emcee need to collaborate with the event organizers, with the moderator, with the speakers, talk with them about the expectation, what they expect the Emcee should be or talk, or how they expect the Emcee to be engaging with the overall event. Talk with the event organizers, ask them questions, leave no doubt during the pre-event meeting. Understand about all of the event details, the rundown, all of the details and the flow especially. It is also important Emcee ask the event organizer or the event owner about the script guidance, the guideline of talking. What are the important message the Emcee should deliver during the opening speech, in between sessions, or during closing? Then, from that guideline or from that talking points, we should craft it in accordance to our style. Some events will provide the whole full event script, so we just need to tweak here and there so we don't just read it like a robot or like a newscaster. But in other case, I need to develop the Emcee script. I only receive term of reference of the meeting, for instance. After I develop my script, I send back to the organizer for them to check and approve all the content. We also need to ask who are the VIPs, who are the most important persons in that meeting. Should we greet them? Should we engage them in some small chat on stage? So ask any details. Also about the don'ts. Is there any incognito guest? We recognize them, but we should not greet them. So ask about all of those do's and don'ts. Other important checklist that we should understand is about technical, logistic, and wardrobe, for instance. We should ask, is there any rehearsal before the event? Rehearsal on the day? What kind of color or wardrobe that we should wear? Be prepared before event. If we have any doubt, again, ask them, ask the event owner, ask the event organizers, so we can collaborate and deliver successful event as an MC. Then come the event. We are on stage. We have to build our stage presence, build our confidence on stage, because confidence can be felt by the audience. If we deliver the right confidence, the right ambience of our personality to the audience, they will also feel the same way. They can be focused on the stage, on what content that is being delivered on stage. Use the right body language, posture, hand movements, eye contact. Use different vocal expression. All of that should be in accordance with the audience characteristics. Who are they? C-suite audience, public, all our staffs, team members, distributors, mixed gender, mixed age. So we have to match our stage presence with the audience characteristics. What I also usually do is read the audience, go with the flow, play by ear. Sometimes we have to make some changes on stage once we see or we feel there is a requirement for us to do that as an MC, so we can perform better and also deliver the right or better message on stage. That is where the art of communication will work. MC is not only reading the script or playing with the script, but we have to listen what the audience act, how they react. That is where we use our sense. Should we stop there or should we add? Should we invite a certain VIP to move closer to the podium, or when they do a photo group on stage? Things like that, where we should be using our sense. Some glitches can happen on stage as well when there are technical issues, technical difficulties, how we should react when there is some technical glitches where the microphone doesn't work, for instance. We should be if the stage hand is not there, stage manager maybe was not ready nearby, we can do something. So be alert and see, or maybe that is an issue that we should discuss in advance with the event team, how or who should react when certain things happen. Because things like that could happen. In the past, there was an issue where the moderator must be cut because maybe the time that he didn't realize the time was up. So as an MC, maybe we should jump in and say certain things, but that is also after being approved by the event owner or the organizing committee. In some cases where the microphone was off or the speaker touched the wrong button where the microphone was not on, so we should jump in and give out our microphone. In corporate conference, MC doesn't always need to have full interaction with the audience. That is where usually the moderator do the interaction with the audience. But as an MC, we can also make small interaction with the audience in between sessions. After Q&A, for instance, or before lunch or after lunch, after coffee break, we can do some engagement. We can ask them how was the short networking session during coffee break, engage them or ask them to exchange business card, exchange social media probably. So we can be interactive based on the situation. My tips that we should also be engaging with the audience off stage, so we understand how they talk, what terms of tones of language they use, what kind of audience they are. So in that case, how we present ourselves on the stage can be related with the actual interaction with the audience off stage. In some cases where MC should be introducing an interactive polls, for instance, or discussion or small games in conferences, we should also ask the organizer how that work, what are the details, so then on stage we don't have any difficulties in explaining all of those details. Again, MC has important role in the corporate conference to control or to lead the flow of the event, to make sure all of the guidance, all of the details, the agenda, all of the details in that event is being delivered and well understood by the audience. So I hope that small tips about mastering emceeing in corporate conference can be useful for you, especially if this is a new thing for you, or maybe you are assigned to emceeing your own corporate conference. Do not hesitate to ask questions to the event organizer or to the event owner or to the organizing committee. Ask any kind of questions to them so you are well guided and be a good MC on the real event. Let me know your experience. Let me know if you have any questions and write them down in the comment section. It also would be interesting to know where you are from. So tell me where you are from, and I know that this video is spread wide across the globe. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your support. I'm Nirmala Trisna from Bali, Indonesia. Stay safe, happy, and healthy.